Seagulls in the sky, wings spread wide and free, gliding with the tide over the open sea. Feathers touch the sun, dancing on the breeze. Morning has begun, waves to tease and tease. Seagull dreams tonight in the pale moonlight, flying out of sight to a world so bright. Eyes reflect the blue, the ocean's vast and true. In the skies they knew, always something new. Laughing with the shore, footprints fade away. Seagulls ask for more in the break of day. Seagull dreams tonight in the pale moonlight, flying out of sight to a world so bright. Laughing with the shore, footprints fade away. Seagulls ask for more in the break of day. Seagull dreams tonight in the pale moonlight.